Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on social science MCQ based questions of unit The Problems of India and Their Solutions. Institutions like Lokapal and Lokayukta can bring down option A communalism, option B corruption, option C unemployment, option D regional imbalance. The correct answer is option B corruption. Next question, segregation in the name of religion and creating hatred and cultivating opposite self-interest can be called as option A regionalism, option B discrimination, option C communalism, option D corruption. The correct answer is option C communalism. Next question, a committee headed by Dr. D.M. Nanjundappa has given special report on various measures needed to solve this problem. Option A, regional imbalance. Option B, communalism. Option C, gender discrimination. Option D, unemployment. The correct answer is option A, regional imbalance. Next question, some of the most backward regions of Karnataka have been accorded special status by adding the article of option A 42, option B 380, option C 371G, option D 371J. The correct answer is option D 371J. Next question, the government has started Women and Child Development Department because option A to provide reservation at state and national legislature bodies, option B to curb child marriage system, option C to develop women's education and status, option D to address the various issues of women. The correct answer is option C to develop women's education and status. Next question, to address the various issues of women, our government has established option A Sri Shakti, option B self-help groups, option C Women and Child Development Department, option D Women's Commission. The correct answer is option D Women's Commission. Next question, the first woman Prime Minister of India is option A Indira Gandhi, option B Sarojini Naidu, option C Pratibha Patil, option D Sucheta Krupalni. The correct answer is option C Pratibha Patil. Next question, the first woman governor of a state in India is option A Sonia Gandhi, option B Sarojini Naidu, option C Pratibha Patil, option D Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is option B Sarojini Naidu. Next question, according to census of 2011, the poverty rate in India is option A 21.9%, option B 22.9%, option C 20.2%, option D 30.9%. The correct answer is option A 21.9%. Next question, it is a gift to Indian political system from the ancient societal system based on Varna. Option A dowry system, option B sati system, option C caste system, option D economic inequality. The correct answer is option C caste system. Next question, the people who develop a deep passion for the place they live is called as option A regionalism, option B discrimination, option C communalism, option D corruption. The correct answer is option A regionalism. Next question, the institution which works to curb corruption in Karnataka is option A police, option B Lokayukta, option C Lokpal, option D Special Allied Force. The correct answer is option B Lokayukta. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on social science MCQ based questions of unit Era of Gandhi and National Movement. First question, Gandhiji was born on. The correct answer is option B 2nd October 1869. Next question, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place while protesting against. The correct answer is option D the Rowlatt Act. Next question, the movement led by Ali brothers was. The correct answer is option A Khilafat movement. Next question, a separate nation for Muslims was put forward by. The correct answer is option C Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next question, the president of Indian National Congress session of 1929 was. The correct answer is option A Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, Mahad and Kalaram temple movements were formed by. The correct answer is option D Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, the India's National Army's Jhansi Regiment was led by. The correct answer is option C Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. Next question, Gandhi held salt satyagraha in. The correct answer is option B Dandi. Next question, the Quit India movement took place in the year. The correct answer is option A 1942. Next question, the first roundtable conference was held in. The correct answer is option A 1930. Next question, Swaraj Party was founded in the year. The correct answer is option C 1929. Next question, the president of Haripura session of Indian National Congress was. The correct answer is option D Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, the Iron Man of India is. The correct answer is option D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, the movement launched by Gandhiji to support the indigo growers. The correct answer is option D Champaran movement. Next question, Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement due to this reason. The correct answer is option C, to oppose the violent incident that took place at Chauri Chaura. Next question, the movement where Gandhiji gave a call do or die was. The correct answer is option D Quit India movement. Next question, the founder of Indian National Army was. The correct answer is option C Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, give me your blood, I'll give you Indian independence. This statement was said by. The correct answer is option A Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, Forward Bloc was founded by. The correct answer is option B Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question, Lala Lajpat Rai was killed during. The correct answer is the protest against Simon Commission. Next question, Mahad and Kalaram movements were organized to protest against. The correct answer is the practice of untouchability. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit Post Independent India. First question, the Prime Minister of Independent India was. Option B Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question, the chairman of the Indian Drafting Committee of the Constituent Assembly was. The correct answer is option C Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, when India was celebrating its independence in New Delhi, Gandhiji was in. The correct answer is option B Naukali. Next question, in 1960, Government of Karnataka sanctioned 3000 acres of land to Tibetan refugees at. The correct answer is option D Bailkuppe. Next question, the British governor's last Governor General was. The correct answer is option C Lord Mountbatten. Next question, the Indian Constitution was adopted in. The correct answer is option B January 26, 1950. Next question, India's first president was. The correct answer is option A Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Next question, through 42nd Amendment to the Constitution, these words were added in the year 1976. The correct answer is option D secular and socialist. Next question, the princely states which opposed the instrument of accession was. The correct answer is option B Junagadh, Jammu and Kashmir, Hyderabad. Next question, the Iron Man of India is. The correct answer is option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, Sardar Patel was called as Iron Man of India because. The correct answer is option B he integrated the princely states. Next question, the citizens of Junagadh revolted against the Nawab because. The correct answer is option D he signed the agreement to join with Pakistan. Next question, Junagadh joined Indian Federation in the year. The correct answer is option C 1949. Next question, Goa has remained a union territory till. The correct answer is option C 1987. Next question, State Reorganization Act was implemented in the year. The correct answer is option D 1953. Next question, the first Home Minister of India was. The correct answer is option A Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question, Pondicherry became a union territory in the year. The correct answer is option D 1963. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit India's Foreign Policy. First question, the policy adopted by the nation in dealing with other countries is called. The correct answer is option B Foreign Policy. Next question, a policy that does not belong to any power blocks in the world is. Or the policy of keeping safe distance from both the power blocks of the world is known as. The correct answer is option D non-aligned policy. Next question. India's foreign policy was introduced by. The correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. During pre-independent period, India was under the imperial occupation of. The correct answer is option D, the Portuguese. Next question. The leader who fought against apartheid in Africa was. The correct answer is option A, Nelson Mandela. Next question. Nation is in any way internally and externally subservient to other countries is called. The correct answer is option C, enemy nation. Next question. The architect of India's foreign policy is. The correct answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. The year of signing of Panchashila Principles. The correct answer is option A, 1954. Next question. The Chinese Prime Minister who signed Panchashila Principle. The correct answer is option B, Zhou Enlai. Next question. The countries which took leadership of two power blocks of the world formed after the Second World War. The correct answer is option D, USA and Russia. Next question. The person who is known as Gandhi of Africa. The correct answer is option C, Nelson Mandela. Next question. India gained independence and became a sovereign country in the year. The correct answer is option B, 1947. Next question. The people call another community inferior to themselves on the basis of color is called. The correct answer is option B, apartheid. Next question. The article Indian Constitution which says about international coexistence and international law is. The correct answer is option C, Article 51. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on social science MCQ based questions of unit India's relationship with other countries. First question. The Silk Trade between China and India is discussed in. The correct answer is option C, Kautilya's Arthashastra. Next question. The nation that is advocating Arunachal Pradesh belongs to it. The correct answer is option C, China. Next question. As a result of the efforts of these countries, a group of BRICS countries has been started. The correct answer is option A, India and China. Next question. The year that the Tashkent Agreement was signed. The correct answer is option A, 1966. Next question. The nation that cooperated with the Tashkent Agreement. The correct answer is option D, Russia. Next question. The country that collaborated with the Bhilai and Bokaro industries in India is. The correct answer is option C, Russia. Next question. The countries that signed 20 years of peace alliance and cooperation agreement. The correct answer is option A, India and Russia. Next question. This is a country that has extended its support for permanent members of India on the UN Security Council. The correct answer is option B, Russia. Next question. The country which invaded India in 1962 was. The correct answer is option B, China. Next question. Goa was liberated in the year. The correct answer is option B, 1961. Next question. In 1966, USSR had supported the Tashkent Agreement between. The correct answer is option A, India and Pakistan. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on social science MCQ based questions of unit Global Problems and India's role. First question. India has consistently advocated universal human rights and guaranteed them through these articles. The correct answer is option A, Article 12 to 35. Next question. The Human Rights Declaration was adopted on. The correct answer is option A, December 10, 1948. Next question. Human Rights Day is celebrated every year on. The correct answer is option D, December 10. Next question. UN body which has mandated the member countries to adopt and protect human rights. The correct answer is option C, General Assembly. Next question. The world which has arms not only wastes the money, it also wants the sweat of laborers, intelligence of scientists, and wastes the dreams of the children was opinion by. The correct answer is option A, Hoover. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit Labor. First question, the book The Republic was written by? The correct answer is option B, Plato. Next question, division of labor creates less skilled workers. This statement was said by? The correct answer is option C, Karl Marx. Next question, division of labor leads to? The correct answer is option B, specialization. Next question, human society is formed on natural inequalities. This natural inequality is based on division of labor. This statement is given by? The correct answer is option C, Plato. Next question, the group which belongs to unorganized sector is? The correct answer is option D, puncture repairer, selling of vegetables, farmers. Next question, Payment of Gratuity Act came into force in? The correct answer is option C, 1971. Next question, the book Footlosers is a study on? The correct answer is option C, migration of laborers. Next question, the workers belong to unorganized sector. The correct answer is option C, construction worker. Next question, according to Karl Marx, division of labor creates? The correct answer is option A, less skilled workers. Next question, migration is the main characteristic of? The correct answer is option D, unorganized labor sector. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit Social Stratification. First question, the article of our constitution that allows minority communities to establish education institution is? The correct answer is Article 30. Next question, the practice of untouchability is prohibited by the article? The correct answer is option B, Article 17. Next question, the Untouchability Crimes Act implemented in the year? The correct answer is option C, 1955. Next question, the article which says education is the fundamental rights of the children is? The correct answer is option C, 21A. Next question, untouchability is a heinous expression of caste system. This is leprosy attached to Hindu skin. This statement was given by? The correct answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhiji. Next question, the one who argued in favor of education as a public property is? The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, Government of India implemented Civil Rights Protection Act in year? The correct answer is option C, 1976. Next question, example for social stratification existed in ancient Rome? The correct answer is option B, plebeians and patricians. Next question, the expanded form of BMI? The correct answer is option B, body mass index. Next question, the chief architect of Indian constitution is? The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, Varna system was formed on the basis of? The correct answer is option A, the karma theory. Next question, the Article 45 of our constitution says about? The correct answer is option B, the children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit Social Movements. First question, collection of people who have assembled without any prior plan is called? The correct answer is option A, mob. Next question, when the behavior of the mob turns violent, it is called as? The correct answer is option C, mob violence. Next question, Narmada Bachao movement was led by? The correct answer is option C, Medha Patkar. Next question, Kaiga nuclear power plant was opposed by? The correct answer is option A, Shivarama Karanth. Next question, the Chipko movement belonged to the village of? The correct answer is option A, Tehri Garhwal. Next question, the Apricot movement began in the village of? The correct answer is option B, Salyani. Next question, the Silent Valley movement was led by? The correct answer is option D, Kerala Shastra Parishad. Next question, Kusuma Soroba had lost their life in this movement. The correct answer is option C, alcohol prohibition movement. Next question, the Chief Minister of Karnataka who brought many social reformation during 1970s was? The correct answer is option A, D. Devaraj Aras. The next question is, the founder of Karnataka State Rayat Sangha was? The correct answer is option D, MD Nanjundappa Swami. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit India Physiography. First question, the Greater Himalayas are also known as. The correct answer is option A, Himadri. Next question, the Lesser Himalayas are also known as. The correct answer is option D, Himachal. Next question, the highest peak in South India is. The correct answer is option C, Annamudi. Next question, Eastern Ghats meets the Western Ghats in the correct answer is option A, Nilgiris Hill. Next question, the Northern Great Plain is made up of. The correct answer is option B, alluvial soil. Next question, the highest peak in India is. The correct answer is option A, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen. Next question, the highest peak in the world is. The correct answer is option D, Mount Everest. Next question, which of the following is not a hill station? The correct answer is option D, Nagatiba. Next question, the outermost range or foothills of Himalayas are also called as. The correct answer is option B, Shivalik. Next question, the flat bottom longitudinal structured valley of Shivalik are called. The correct answer is option D, Dhund. Next question, the largest physical division of India is. The correct answer is option C, the Peninsula Plateau. Next question, the oldest fold mountain range in India is. The correct answer is option B, Aravalli range. Next question, the highest peak in the Aravalli range is. The correct answer is option A, Guru Shikhar. Next question, Western Ghats are also known as. The correct answer is option C, Sahyadri. Next question, the coast which extends from Mangaluru to Kanyakumari is called. Option B, Malabar coast. Next question, Lakshadweep Islands are formed by. The correct answer is option D, corals. Next question, the Karnataka coast extends from Goa to. The correct answer is option B, Mangaluru. Next question, the Northern Great Plain is formed by the depositional work of the three rivers, namely. The correct answer is the Sutlej, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Next question, the total area occupied by Peninsula Plateau is. The correct answer is option C, 16 lakh km square. Next question, the Greater Himalayas are also called as Himadri because. The correct answer is option D, are covered with snow throughout the year. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel. Dear students and teachers, welcome back to video series on Social Science MCQ based questions of Unit Social Problems. First question, the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act was brought into force in the year. Option A, 1966, option B, 1976, option C, 1986, option D, 1996. The correct answer is option C, 1986. Next question, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act was enacted in the year. Option A, 2012, option B, 2016, option C, 2014, option D, 2010. The correct answer is option A, 2012. Next question, the main aim of implementing POCSCO Act 2012 is. Option A, to eradicate child labor system, option B, to prevent feminicide, option C, to prohibit child marriage completely, option D, to prevent sexual offences on children. The correct answer is option D, to prevent sexual offences on children. Next question, Child Marriage Prohibition Act has came into effect with few changes in the year. Option A, 2005, option B, 2001, option C, 2004, option D, 2006. The correct answer is option D, 2006. Next question, the punishment who breaks Child Marriage Prohibition Act is. Option A, 2 years imprisonment and 1 lakh rupees fine. Option B, 2 years imprisonment and 50,000 rupees fine. Option C, 1 year imprisonment and 1 lakh rupees fine. Option D, 6 months imprisonment and 1 lakh rupees fine. The correct answer is option A, 2 years imprisonment and 1 lakh rupees fine. Next question, the toll-free number given to stop child marriage is. Option A, 1919, option B, 1098, option C, 1800, option D, 1909. The correct answer is option B, 1098. Next question, Balika Sangha for the empowerment of girls have been found and maintained by. Option A, Child Right Protection Units, option B, Child Gram Sabha, option C, Child Protection Committee, Option D, Anganwadis. The correct answer is option D, Anganwadis. Next question. The child labor means option A, any child who are below 15 years and remain out of school. Option B, any children who are below 18 years and remain out of school. Option C, any children below 14 years and remain out of school. Option D, any children who are below 21 years and remain out of school. The correct answer is option C, any children who are below 14 years and remain out of school. Next question. According to FAO, at least calorie of food an individual needs in India is option A 1890, option B 1720, option C 1632, option D 1820. The correct answer is option D 1820. Next question. As per the law, the minimum age fixed for marriage in India is option A girls 18 years, boys 20 years, option B girls 19 years, boys 21 years, option C girls 18 years, boys 21 years, option D girls 20 years, boys 21 years. The correct answer is option C girls 18 years, boys 21 years. Next question. Invisible hunger means option A nutrition, option B hunger in rich people, option C malnutrition, option D balanced food. The correct answer is option C malnutrition. Next question. Among the fast growing social evils, a major threat is option A female feticide, option B human trafficking, option C child marriage, option D child labor. The correct answer is option B human trafficking. Next question. To prevent female feticide, PCPNDT Act was implemented in the year option A 1976, option B 1994, option C 2006, option D 1956. The correct answer is option B 1994. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe the channel.